There's a quick, easy way to link all of your Canvas calendars into your Google Calendar so that you get all of the notifications and reminders that you get inside of Canvas in your Google Calendar. To do that, we start out at canvas.wfu.edu. We go down to the calendar, and in the calendar, look on the far lower right corner for calendar feed and click on that link. Copy this link. A shortcut for that is Command C or the Control C key combination. Once I've got that link, I can close this window and I can go to Google Calendar. And in Google Calendar, all I have to do is come down here where it says Other Calendars and click on the plus sign, and where it says From URL, paste in the URL and say Add Calendar. Now this will be one of the calendars that shows up in my navigation pane on the left. And when you've completed this task, you'll see these notifications show up in the top as reminders of events on your Google Calendar that came from your Canvas calendar that came from all of your Canvas courses.